Hello everybody, my name is Haider Abbas. I am the Regional Sales Manager for CeeLo Weigel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Breez Max device for installation. So right out of the box, you will have the device. Okay, here's the back plate if you want to hardwire it through a 24-volt system. It comes with the USB-C charging wire and a plug that you can put in any wall socket, a 5-volt adapter, and you can power up the device. So just plug it in right here when you have it ready and you're good to go. So once you power up the device, you will see that the Bluetooth icon is blinking. That means the device is ready to go. On your phone, and for this particular instance, you can use your phone's hotspot to provide both the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi to the controller if you don't have Wi-Fi in the building right now. If you have Wi-Fi in the building, you should know the Wi-Fi password and the name, and you're good to set everything up. So let's open the CeeLo Home app. This is the CeeLo Home app that you can get from any Apple Play Store or Google Play Store. And once you have installed it, you add your credentials, login and password. On the top right, you will see this plus icon to set up a new device. So let's press the plus icon at the top right. From this list of devices available, we're going to select the Breez Max over here. Let's get started. The app will walk you through the steps. You need to give it Bluetooth permission, your location permission. I already have it on. So let's press continue. Now it's searching for the Breez Max through Bluetooth. It found a Breez Max. Since this is white in color, it's showing white over here. If it was black, it would show a black Breez Max right here. So let's connect. And the next step is name your device. You can name it anything that you want. You can even give it a custom name. Okay. And you're good to go. I will name this one bedroom. Pressing continue. The next step is to scan Wi-Fi networks. So we're gonna scan a few Wi-Fi networks. I already turned my hotspot on, so that's providing internet. Let me connect it to the internet. I know the password already. Okay, sorry, I put in the wrong password. I'm gonna put it again. And voila, now it's gonna complete registration where this device, now you can see the Bluetooth icon is gone and the Wi-Fi icon is here. This particular device is registering to the internet via this app. Registration is successful. You saw how fast that was. So you press continue. Now you have your Breez Max available on your app. The next step is to configure your remote control. So I'm going to press on it. It's asking me to do an auto remote detection. If you have a remote already, you press next and you just point and shoot your remote control to the device. If you don't have the remote ready, okay, you can go through manual configuration. It's best to always have the remote ready and you just point and you're done in 5 to 10 seconds. For the sake of demonstration, I'm going to go through the manual process. I'm going to select the Wi-Fi from the list of drop down, or I can search Fujitsu right here, and then the remote model. On the back of the remote, you will know which model it is. I have selected the Fujitsu model AR-RAH2U Fahrenheit, and I'm going to confirm. Now what this device is doing right now is going to a database of 20,000 plus makes and models, and is downloading all of the IR configurations from our database, making this Breez Max device the exact same functioning device as a remote control. And voila, it's set. And look at this. Now I can control my AC from my app. Power it on. You saw it come power on. Change the temperature. Temperature is set to 72. This big number is showing the current temperature of the room. Okay, I can change the mode. I can change the temperature settings from the app, as well as I can do the same thing from the device itself. Okay. Modes: fan, dry, cool, auto, heat. Those are the modes. Fan speed, up and down. Swing control of the lures. And we are all set. You can put this at a wall. You can put it on your desk with the table stand that comes right in the box. It comes with mounting screws, so you can put this back plate on a wall and hardwire it if you needed to, provided you have a 24-volt coming in, or you can use a transformer. And that's easy within 2 minutes on how to install the Breez Max and use any air conditioner. As long as that has an IR capability, you are good to go and you're set up. Thank you very much.